As a truck driver, I drove from Yoruba, California to Las Vegas, about 220 miles on I-15. When I came to Las Vegas, I decided to stop by Walmart to do my shoppings. I was able to get there, say, about 7:50 p.m. Walmart at that location closes at 8:30 p.m. I got there 7:50. I found a spot to park my tractor and the trailer, rushed to Walmart before it closes to get some fruits, vegetables, some water, some electronic stuff. I was at the door at 8 o'clock. The first door was closed because it was 8 o'clock, so they want everybody to enter and exit from a single door. So I walked for the second door that was open. I noticed that everybody has a mask. Few people like myself, some other people did not have a mask. So the lady at the door, she was nice. She asked, if you have no mask, you cannot go shopping. That's very serious. That's the first time I ran into that. Usually I hear about that in the news. I hear that somebody in another state, they have a problem with the mask. They did not let him in. I went back to my truck. I got my mask. I returned it to do the shopping. It was already now about, say, 8:50. No problem. I am not complaining about it. But I remember when I still have bad knees. When I had bad knees, and if I am not a young person, just walking back from the store to the truck, from the truck to the store, I was able to get in, passing by the same lady, saluted me, she said, thank you. I raised my hand. I have no problem. I'm not complaining about it. I'm just telling the story. In the store, everybody has a mask. In Vegas, I noticed that not only you have to have masks, there are people inside the store that watch your step, so you have to be 6 feet away. If you are closer, somebody is going to push you or just signal to you that you have to hold, you have to wait 6 feet long, 6 feet distance. Another person was telling people that you need to wash your hand, you wash your wagon before you got into the store. You do have the cleaning stuff so you can clean the shopping cart before you can get into the store. But my point is that I don't think it is scientifically possible to say that the masks will have any effect on the corona. The pandemic, the infection is spreading. And some people wearing the masks inside and outside and everywhere because they have no clue. They think the mask is really going to do something. And some people, like myself, I put the mask in my pocket until I come close to location or to a crowd. I put the mask on. But I usually don't like to put the mask. What I do, I just put my face somewhere else, turn my face and keep a distance. I'm not sure even if this or that, the mask or the distance will make any difference because it's all guessing. The point is that neither the masks are reducing the pandemic, nor the social distancing is doing any good. And I think the only solution for that pandemic is to shut down or isolate any hot spot. You cannot assume that people wearing masks are going to do any good to the pandemic. Cannot assume that masks are working or social distancing is working because you do not have an effective scientific method to measure the efficiency or the effect of masks or social distancing. But you do have a very good idea that when you get people who are infected, isolated, you do not spread the infection. Well, the other point is that what happened to the carriers, the people that carry the disease and they are not, it's very hard to diagnose a carrier without real test. We are in trouble. We are in very at exit 260. I went back to the Walmart at Utah. It was already 8 o'clock in the evening again. Here in Utah, Some people have masks. So you can say maybe 10%. 10% have masks, the rest don't have masks. In Utah, you walk inside, very few people do have masks. Inside the store, of course, they have people on the outside with calculators and computers, try to count the people in, people out. You go between the aisles, tens of people between the aisles, in front of you, behind you, in front of you, behind you. The people that are doing the shelving, filling the shelves. The people are calculating how much stuff are on the shelves. You cannot tell me that the masks are going to work or the social distancing is going to do any good. Let me go back again to a story. I was in Oregon, close to Portland, and somebody came to talk to me in Loves. He was another truck driver. He has no mask, I have no mask. I try to keep a distance, but I don't think he believes in that. A lot of people don't believe that science or scientists or the politician are telling them the truth, or they know the truth. The common sense is that why would you worry about something you don't see? Why are you scared to die when you have other more serious issues in your life that hurt you more than anything else? If you drive a truck, you can die any minute. You have a very high risk occupation. You're doing that. You're driving a truck for 20 some years. You never died. Is the corona going to get you? I was joking to a lady the other day whether I should be wearing a mask on the telephone when I call somebody on the telephone. She said, no, you don't have to do that because you are too far. I said, well, what happens if the coronavirus morphs to a computer virus? The computer virus propagates in the Wi-Fi. On the other side, the coronavirus, the computer virus, will jump in your face as a coronavirus. Well, she was laughing. I'm just trying to enjoy my time.